In the realm of solving queries with tools like ChatGDP, some clients inquire whether traditional pre-made Doypack bags could be replaced through AI implementation. Perhaps ChatGDP might swiftly point towards fully automated Doypack bag-making machine as a potential solution. From what I gather, these machine types have been in existence for over 20 years, undergoing numerous technological upgrades, encompassing crucial advancements. Despite the maturity of this AI-driven machinery over the past 2 decades, why hasn't it achieved widespread adoption and instead of the pre-made Doypack bags? I refrain from passing judgment on the merits or drawbacks of such machines, such as the quality of Doypack bag made by this kind of machine, but the lack of widespread adoption boils down to the irreplaceable nature of certain elements. For instance, when I casually asked ChatGDP about automatic spout sealing machines, its responses were superficial and only highlighted the positives, failing to acknowledge any drawbacks. If you were to inquire about what these pre-made Doypack bags cannot replace, what do you think its response would be? As advancements continue, it remains to be seen whether AI will eventually supplant traditional methods entirely or if a harmonious coexistence will prevail, leveraging the strengths of both human expertise and machine precision.